Hello, and welcome to another Science Weekly Challenge with BioBus. Woo! I'm Lee.
And I'm Sarah.
And we are biologists. Today we are building a homemade water critter catcher. We are talking teeny tiny tumbling water creatures. These we can call plankton.
See, most of the animals in the water are actually really, really small. Without these itty bitty animals, those bigger creatures wouldn't have anything to eat.
Let's get started on making ourselves a plankton net out of very common supplies you should have in your home, but there are also other ways for you to do this. If you can imagine others, we'd love for you to share that with us.
So take your water bottle, cut off the bottom because we don't need that for our construction. We're going to use the top to catch the critters and the middle part of the water bottle as a structure. So we put the stocking or hosiery around the top and we cut it to size. We place it around the middle for structure, and the stocking serves as the net part, which the water flows through but the animals get stuck. We tape it nice and tight so that we don't get any leaks, both around the top and the structural middle, and then we're basically ready to go. We just need to poke holes with tacks so that we can attach string, tie some knots with strings. We use 3 strings for maximum support, and there we are.
Where are we catching these water critters?
Anywhere that you think you can find a fish.
We're gonna test out our water critter catcher.
Now we drag the net through the water as quickly as you can, scooping up all the little critters and run away from waves. Dump into a container by unscrewing the cap.
Where's your goop, bud?
Where?
Some things that you catch you'll be able to see with your eye. We saw something really tiny, so we decided to look at it under the microscope. Wow. This is a copepod, one of the world's smallest animals. That's a human hair for scale. Well, we caught something pretty cool. Really curious to see what you find. Maybe jellyfish or a little piece of crab or who knows what.
We hope that you share whatever you find with BioBus. And thanks for your effort. Tell us how you made your critter catcher, and we'll see you next week.
Bye!